Now, let's discover some basic trigonometric formulas. I will be working on page 14 in the syllabus, so you might want to take that and follow along. The first relation we're trying to discover is the relationship between the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. For that, we're using this triangle right here, triangle ABC, with A being 90 degrees. So let's start off with determining the sine of B. We're looking at angle B right here. Remember, SOHCAHTOA. There we go. So the sine would be the opposite over the hypotenuse. That's 3/5. The cosine would be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. That's 4/5. Now, if we would divide these two by each other, that would be the same as multiplying it by the inverse, right? Het omgekeerde. So, the sine, 3/5, times the inverse of the cosine, 5/4. Well, these two 5's, they cancel each other out, and we end up with 3/4. Now, finally, we want to determine the tangent. Well, the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, so that's 3/4. Well, what did we just discover? Well, that if we divide the sine by the cosine of an angle, we end up with the tangent of the angle. So you might want to formulate that in your own words right here. In symbols, you can see this on the next page, so you might want to mark this. This is what you're going to have to remember, because we're going to be applying this in exercises. Of course, if this is true for angle B, then this is true for angle C as well. It's just written out in symbols right here. You can read this through, see if you understand. And then finally, I suggest you do this with your calculator. You don't need my help for that. Good luck.